Hey guys, welcome to this video, and today we're going to keep talking about some basic concepts you need to have before actually going to paid advertising. So in this thing that I told you yesterday, this about creating a story, you also need to, another things that helps, you can try to create it, is create a character. What a character means is your brand represents something or you represent something, and it's like a person or a something that people can relate to, not only the story, but greater than that. So this character, of course, needs to have like a name, needs to have like the basic things of a character. It needs to have the story that we created yesterday, and it also needs to have a personality, like a character, some characteristics. People need to be able to. Your ideal client needs to be able to relate with this character. He needs to see him as something valuable. We're going to speak about that in a few minutes. But the important thing here is that it's credible. It is credible. It is something people believes in. So it needs to have defects. It needs to have characteristics. It needs to have a personality, right? And what you're going to do with this character is that if you are creating your personal brand, that can be you. If you are not creating a personal brand, figure out a way to create it with your brand. So what you're going to do with this character there are some types of characters, I can tell you some of them. For example, one type of character is the leader. The leader is usually someone that already went through the problems that your clients usually went through. So if you are selling like a coaching, he already went to those dark times where he found coaching, something like that. And the leader, what does is that he creates a community around him, and he said, "Okay, I'm going to help this community achieve what I have achieved already." The other type of character you can have is like the adventurer. It's someone that says, "Hey, I am this point right now. I believe that to get out of this point and solve my problem, I'm going to take this way. So I'm going to be sharing with you my findings, what I am learning." So you can say, "Hey, I want to start with paid advertising. So I'm going to go and hop in and start with paid advertising, and I am going to tell you, to teach you what I am learning with this." It can also be the secret teller, that is the guy that like the hero secret teller is a guy that is a character that may not be so much interested in looking for someone to follow him, but he knows important information, and he says, "Hey, I want to share this information with the world. This is really important information, and I'm sharing it." That's another type of character. And there are more and more types of character. You can search them on Google. There are a lot of them. But I'm telling you this because if you are going to create a brand, this is something extremely important, and you can leverage this, right? Now, when we go into paid advertising, what we're going to do is that we're going to create an ad, and we're going to use our avatar to search for the type of audience we want. So we're going to test different audiences that we relate to our avatar, that we believe that, say for example, you want someone that buys shoes, sporting shoes, so you're going to tell people that likes football, right? This type of audience, you're going to test these types of audiences, and you're going to see which one really works better. That's what we're going to start doing in the following video. So keep tuned with it, and hope you have found value in this video, and see you tomorrow, guys.